Hi everyone, Brian Cunningham, Restoration Concrete here in the Metro Atlanta area. Today we're in the community of East Lake on an absolutely gorgeous day. You can hear the birds singing in the background, beautiful blue skies. I've been pressure washing, which is why I've got my rain pants on. It's been a little cool this morning, so you want to stay dry. We have a fun project for you that we want to show you, but first we want to tell you exactly what we're doing. Homeowner called us out because he has an area in between the garage and the home of about 1,000 square feet that currently is gravel. And he wants us to remove the gravel, put down new concrete, and connect it to the existing driveway. A little bit of a challenge here is that the driveway is only about an inch or so below the garage and the home, which are on the same level. And so we've got to make sure we get the pitch just right so that the water flows away from the garage, away from the home, and down to the existing driveway and across. And so as always, we appreciate you watching. We want our videos to be informative and entertaining. And as always, here's to good contracting. Let's go.